Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Raspberry Pi to Wi-Fi using terminal commands, complete guide step by step clearly. First, power on your Raspberry Pi and open the terminal. Ensure you have an active internet connection via Ethernet for initial setup. Check the available wireless interfaces by typing the command ifconfig and pressing enter. Look for your wireless interface, which is usually named WLAN0. Next, scan for available Wi-Fi networks by entering sudo ilist WLAN0 scan and pressing enter. This will display a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Identify the network you wish to connect to. Make a note of the SSID, which is the name of the network. Now, open the WPA supplicant configuration file by typing sudo nano /etc/WPA_supplicant/WPA_supplicant.conf and pressing enter. In this file, add the following lines at the bottom: network equals, SSID equals your underscore SSID PSK equals your underscore password. Replace your underscore SSID with the actual network name and your underscore password with the network password. Save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. Next, restart the DHCP client service by entering sudo client WLAN0 in the terminal. Alternatively, you can reboot your Raspberry Pi by typing sudo reboot and pressing enter. Once rebooted, check your Wi-Fi connection status with the command ifconfig WLAN0. If connected, you will see an IP address listed under init. To confirm internet connectivity, ping a website using pingc4google.com. If you receive replies, you are successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. Congratulations, you have now connected your Raspberry Pi to Wi-Fi using terminal commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.